why you suck at social media whilst everybody else is winning. Is that what it feels like right now? I feel really nasty saying that. How are you, my beautiful happiness hustler? My name is Veena V, and I'm here to get you visible using the power of video and YouTube. Today, this is so important. Look, I'm even doing this video stood up because I want you to feel this positive energy coming through your phone. Look, I usually sit over there, all the way over there, but now I want it to be really close to you because number one, you do not suck. Number two, I have told you this so many times. Why do you keep comparing yourself to other people? Why do you do it? That is the number one reason why so many people fail on social media, on YouTube, because they are constantly, and do not lie to me, they are constantly looking at what other people are doing and then thinking, oh, why is this happening to me? Why has that person got loads of views and subscribers and I don't? Please, for the love of God, for the love of the universe, for the love of this world, you need to get out of that trap. You are currently in the mind trap. Welcome, by the way, to the Mindset Addict. This is a video I release once a week on this channel, but I'm going to be creating a brand new channel called the Mindset Addict. Because on this channel, we obviously talk a lot about visibility, YouTube, social media, but I want a full channel I just want to share with you so many things that is helping me, that has helped me through so many different traumas in my life. So I will leave the link below if you're interested in subscribing to that brand new channel called the Mindset Addict. But let's get back to today's topic. On this channel, when you compare yourself to other people, by the way, do you know what? This is why other people are winning at social media and you're not, because they have got over that first hurdle, which is that fear, and then they are getting over, or maybe they've got over it already, that other thought that will seep into their head, and that is the comparison game. When you are in the game of comparing yourself, when you are in the game of feeling, oh, poor me, nobody's watching my stuff, that is when you lose. And I want you to be a winner. We are in a state of the world right now where it seems like everything is falling apart, where we are all so uncertain. What you do have power over is you. You've got power over your actions. You've got power over, believe it or not, how you are feeling, how you are thinking. When you get that negative thought in your head of like, I am crap, I am rubbish at making videos, you need to catch that emotion and flip it around and reverse it. You are going to say, I am good at making videos. I am good at making social media content, and I have a message to share with the world. It doesn't matter who you are, what you look like, where you live, how much money you've got in your bank account. All of us have a place on social media. It is just a matter of keeping going, being resilient. Don't look at what other people are doing. Trust me, I have been on YouTube for so long, and in the grand scheme of things, I've still got a relatively small channel. But do you know why it doesn't bother me? Because I've got such a strong purpose, and I know what's going on in my back end. People that come here to my channel, they might think, oh, few views here and there, few subscribers here and there. But I've created a business from my YouTube channel that if you just come to this video, you don't have a clue who I am, you're not going to know any of that stuff. Public service announcement. If you want to launch a brand new YouTube channel, the time is right now. Do not waste this opportunity. If you're at home and if you've got the time to do this, take action. This is what it's all about. I've put together a brand new free training for you. You can watch it after you've watched this video. Just go and sign up at 10kyourway.com, and I'm going to help you to launch a YouTube channel from scratch with no video experience and get you to 10,000 subscribers. So this is why it's like this filter, you go on Instagram and Snapchat and you have these filters and you put it on. You need to go and put your filter on of being this warrior, of being this person that thinks, I'm not going to swear, but the F it word, you need to think, F it, F what other people think, and I'm going to go for this. We've only got one chance here. So why are you still living your life being dictated to by what other people think? Let me tell you something. The people that judge you, the people that might be writing mean comments below, the people that will say stuff behind your back, those are the people that we need to feel the most sympathy for, because those people, it's quite likely that they will die not fulfilling all of their dreams. And I don't want that for you. I want you to keep going, okay? You've got to work hard. You've got to be resilient, and you've got to keep adapting. Look at this YouTube channel. I always go through changes all the time, whether you can see them on the surface or not. I'm always constantly evolving my content and being really proactive and reactive to the current situation. So proactive is where I may have made some YouTube videos in advance. I'm being proactive by putting them out there on my channel, keeping it as consistent as I can be as well on here. Now, reactive is when something happens in the world. What is currently happening in the world right now? What did I do to be reactive to that? I put together a Zoom tutorial. Now, this channel isn't really about Zoom. I predominantly give YouTube tips for beginners, but I was looking at the situation and I did my research. This is so important in growing on social media, not just on YouTube, on any platform. Do your research. What are people searching for? What kinds of content do they want? And I saw a massive spike. I looked on Google Trends. There was a massive spike in people searching for Zoom tutorials. So what did I do? Within literally a day, 24 or 48 hours of me thinking, oh, I need to make a video here, I could really boost my channel up by making some Zoom tutorials. So I was reactive to what's happening and I took action straight away. This is what social media is all about. It's being adaptive, adapt to the current situation. What is currently going on? Yes, we can have these strategies and these plans. It's great to have a solid plan for any social media platform you want to grow, but at the same time, you need to see what's currently going on so you can react to it, so you can make content to cater for the current trends that are happening in the world. Take TikTok as an example, okay? Just before I started making this YouTube video for you lovely person, I made about 10 TikTok videos, okay? So I've got them saved in my drafts, and what I'm gonna do now, follow me on TikTok there, by the way. What I'm gonna do is now for the next 10 days, I have got content. I will be uploading 1 or maybe 2 of those videos every day, and I've got that batch content done. And so even though that content's been done, what I will still do is if something becomes really trending on TikTok overnight, tomorrow, I will make sure I do a video of that trend so I can boost my TikTok profile up. Everyone is making this whole thing so complicated. And I know, do you know what? I've been there as well, where I overcomplicate things, I second guess myself, I think, uh-oh, look at that video. It got, half the amount of views as my normal content. But the way to win at social media, the way to stop sucking is to keep making different kinds of content. You want to find what you're really good at and do that as much as you possibly can, but then you also need to be making different kinds of content, because guess what? If I didn't make that Zoom tutorial, which I will link below so you can go and watch that, if I didn't make that Zoom tutorial, my channel in the last 28 days wouldn't have gone up more than 1,000 subscribers. My Google AdSense has drastically gone up. So while other things in my business, I'm not selling as many courses now, but I've replaced that, or some of it, with my Google AdSense money that's coming in. Oh, I was just writing a checklist for you to emphasize the point that you do not suck at social media. There's nothing actually on there, because I'm going to talk from my heart to you, okay? You do not suck at social media. Everybody is on a completely different journey, okay? Everyone has a completely different journey. I want the aim of this video to be is that you'll realize that there's a space for you. We are all so unique. We've all got different gifts that you need to share to the world. You might not know what that is yet, and that's okay, but you've got to get out there and find it. If you just kind of sit at home, which I know we all have to be at home, but if you just kind of sit and do nothing and don't take action or anything, don't go and put yourself out there, how are you ever gonna know what you are good at? Seriously, how are you ever gonna know what you're good at if you do not even try? If you do not even try and put yourself out there, you get out your comfort zone. I've got loads of videos for you. I will link them all in the description on some really useful videos like how to get over your fear of the camera, how to keep going when you've got 0 views. I will link them all below, so make sure you go and watch those after. But right now, again, I keep saying this, but I need to emphasize the point is that, look, okay, so I predominantly teach YouTube, okay? Now, if someone else was to come on over here and they taught YouTube as well and our tips and advice were quite similar, it doesn't matter because how many people are there in the world? How many people that will relate to me, but they might not relate to that other YouTube coach, or vice versa. They might relate to this YouTube coach and they might not relate to me. Everyone can create their own tribe. You don't need thousands, you don't need millions of followers to be happy to create a successful business and brand. And this is why so many people fail at YouTube, at social media, because all they're doing is chasing views. And it's pointless because all it takes sometimes is that one video to explode your channel. This channel's been going all right. I've been happy with it. Again, like I said, I've got a business on the back end of my YouTube channel. So even if my video views are kind of up and down here, it doesn't really affect my actual business and how I'm making money through the consulting and clients and courses I'm selling over there, okay? However, when I have a video that does do better than my current videos, it gives me a massive spike in views and subscribers and that Google AdSense money as well. So what I'm trying to say to you is that every video is an opportunity for you to change your life. And I know that sounds dramatic, but it's really true. Every video has an opportunity to explode and change something in your life or in your business. I am riding the wave right now when it comes to those Zoom tutorials. One of my TikTok videos has a massive spike of views recently as well. So guess what I'm doing? I haven't made any more TikTok videos, but I'm going to be making more TikTok videos to feed into the YouTube algorithm because they're pushing that video for whatever reason. And I am now going to soak up a lot more views. I'm being reactive to what is going on right now on my channel and in the rest of the world. I really hope this video has helped you in some way. If you click there or somewhere over there, I've got a whole playlist on more videos like this that will really keep helping you to move forward in your life, in your business, on social media. But I just want to say to you, please, you've got to keep going. Don't give up. You need to be resilient and you need to stop worrying what other people think. Like I said, I'm going to do loads more videos like this over on my brand new YouTube channel. It's called The Mindset Addict. We'll leave the link below and it should be popping up on the screen somewhere. So if you just click on that picture, go and subscribe to that channel as well. Take action today, not tomorrow, and I will see you in the next video.